Reason why I love ice cream is that it's one of the ultimate comfort foods. It's the classic ratatouille moment where if you eat it, it just takes you back and touches some sense memory of yourself, and it really brings you back to when you were a kid. I think the best foods do that. Hi, I'm Ian Karandang and I am the head Sorbetero and owner of Sebastian's Ice Cream. Sebastian's actually basically started from my desire for some Ben & Jerry's ice cream. One day I was at the duty-free department store. I got every pint, every flavor I could get, so it's like my world was just opened up. So I really wanted to make my own. So I got Ben & Jerry's recipe book along with an ice cream maker. After a few years, I got good at it. My classmates in college approached me about making a side business where I would make the ice cream and they would take care of the other logistics. And that's how Sebastian's got started. The very first ice cream I made for Sebastian's was cookie dough. Cookie dough was like a Ben & Jerry's original flavor. I loved how simple it was, where vanilla ice cream and unbaked cookie dough made something magical. Use real vanilla and standard Western custard-based ice cream. You mix that all up, and then you make actual cookie dough. So that was like the very first flavor we have, and up to now, it's still our top seller. There's no real secret to it. There's just a lot of elbow grease and a lot of work. The origins of the chili burger just reveal my age in that they came from a direct inspiration from Coney Island's Eskimo rolls. And I expanded on that idea where it's not just chocolate chips. So now it's more about different types of cookies where I've gone and invented my own. Even now it's like I've invented cookie dough cookies where it's like a chocolate chip cookie and then we top it with chunks of cookie dough. That's like a Sebastian's chili burger exclusive. Trying to make things in the age of Instagram, like that really is something that any restaurateur or food purveyor has to do. My goal with the Masterpiece milkshake is that I could make something that was pretty and beautiful, Instagrammable, but also delicious. The birthday cake milkshake is like a cake shake basically. It's got pound cake. We blend that up with some sweet cream ice cream. We put in some sprinkles so the shake itself has like all these little colors. And then we put it in the glass, put in a ripple of ube fudge. Then we pour in the shake. And then on top of that, we put in ube with cream. So this gorgeous purple color, pink frosting, and Fruity Pebbles. That was my answer to myself, that I could make something aesthetically pleasing and delicious at the same time. The story behind Pop-Its is that I wanted to make something that you could eat inside the theater. Because movie theater snacking is like a different thing altogether, where it has to be portable and it's something that you can eat in the dark and not worry about spillage. Enter the Pop-Its, where I wanted to make the smallest ice cream nuggets, dipped in little shells, and you can just pop them in your mouth and eat them while you're watching. The story behind the very first form was, I called it an ice cream pizza or an ice cream pie, where we had like a large cookie crust, and then I would top it with like a layer of ice cream, and I would plop a round of leche flan on it. It's a bit informal, or it's a bit clumsy. Everything is balanced. Like I really made so many versions just to get that perfect ratio and to make it beautiful. I draw inspiration from basically everywhere. It's not that, oh, it's a month, I need to make a new one. It's more about basically where if the inspiration strikes me. If anything, like this is the dream right now, in that I am getting to play with food, come up with things, come up with good stuff, and bring it out to the masses. If they like it, then they come back for it and have them appreciate it. How many people can get to say that?